Hello everybody, welcome back to Green Cover Initiative, introducing you to the beautiful world of plants. Today let me show you a sturdy, fuss-free plant for your garden, spider lily or Hymenocallis littoralis. There are many species with the name spider lily, and this specific one is called the beach spider lily. But since it's the most common one that we see around, we call it the spider lily. The leaves are big, strap-like, dark green, and it falls around the sides of the pot very gracefully. Flowers are quite an architectural marvel. They are pure white with a thin membrane cup in the center and surrounded by 6 thin long petals. And there are also these long orange colored stamens that are very prominent and arising from the center. The flowers resemble the legs of a spider and hence they are called spider lilies. They can bloom almost throughout the year with large bunches of about 15 to 20 flowers, and they open in groups of 3 and 4 so that you have flowers in your garden all the time. These plants can even grow under partial shade of trees. In fact, they look very pretty when they are grown around large trees or as border plants along the edges. Though they are native to South and Central America, they are now grown as ornamental plants in gardens all over the world, especially in tropical countries. Don't you think they actually give your garden a tropical vibe? The propagation is through root bulbs. Mature plants, once they are a certain size, they will produce small plants around it. These can gently be pulled out without breaking the bulbs. Take care to not break the bulbs, and they can then be replanted. If you're growing them in pots, then these plants can grow very quickly and fill the pot. Once that happens, you can take out the entire bunch and then separate them into individual plants. You look at the bulbs, separate them carefully, and then they can be replanted as separate plants. So that's it about spider lilies, a very easy to grow, happy-go-lucky plant for your garden. Happy gardening!